Hey, Luke.
I'll go first.
Nope.
You go
I'm
second.
good. Nope. I'm gonna go first. All right.
Okay.
All right. Great man.
Are you gonna say say hey Luke, and then I'll say hey Luke,
All right.
and then
Well,
we can.
it sounds a little more natural.
Let's
when
just start over.
All right. Yeah. Okay. All right. Hey, Luke.
Hey Luke.
Whoa. I go first.
You
right?
did go first.
I didn't say anything, so let me go first.
So you're gonna talk to him after you say.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Sounds good. Let's go.
Let's do this again. Hey, Luke. Just wanted to say I love you, and don't know where you are, either taking a nap or somewhere else, and that makes me sad. But I have some great things to say about you. Let's just get this one out of the way, okay? We have to. The hair, it's amazing. It's amazing. Silky,
Is it ever?
silky, sometimes greasy, but I
Don't
mean,
care.
yeah, I don't care. I love it. I love it. And one other thing that's helped my social life tremendously is when I'm ever talking to a girl at school, talk about my likes and stuff.
Yeah.
Hey, what do you like? Blah, blah, blah.
Who do you live with?
Who do you live with? And this is the thing. I'm like, Luke Swilly, boom. She's over here,
Oh,
and
God.
I get the girl. And of
course.
course, when you're here, it's like doesn't even matter. That,
Game over.
See, it is. Well,
Game over.
okay, well, you don't have to be that mean about it. I still get the girl sometimes.
Oh,
All
God.
right. Well,
Your system doesn't count.
yeah, that's shut it.
All right.
Well, Luke, just want to say, love you, man. Love you a lot.
Hey Luke, it's Peyton. We live together. I miss you. I haven't seen you in a while, so just want to make sure you know that. I think you're at prayer group right now, which is awesome.
It is awesome.
I do like that. My prayer is that you come back after prayer group and hang out tonight.
You too.
It's been a while.
It has been a while.
Anyway, a few things I want to address. First of all, let's give a quick pound.
Pound it.
I know you love it.
It's awesome. Here we go. Get ready. Nuclear explosion right there. Cheeks going back. Whoo.
Okay, that's a little much.
Well, it's not. I thought that was funny.
His second favorite thing, if you cannot pound it,
Yeah.
the handshake.
Handshake.
The soft. Hey Luke. Soft handshake.
It's disgusting. It's kind of gross.
Soft handshake.
It's the nastiest thing.
All right, that's all I got, dude.
Yeah.
Love you. Can't wait to see you tonight.
Love you a lot, dude.